over to Rafa's right now to buy a KX85. So this should be a short video. I should be able to get it done today, get it ripping, get it riding, and get it posted. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you had a good weekend. You guys be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more to come, dudes. We appreciate you. Almost 20,000 subscribers. All right, boys, got her picked up. KX85. Let's get home and give her a tune-up. And clean it up a little bit. Try to anyways. Get that motor all cleaned up and degreased. The wheels and tires. I'm going to take it inside and give her a tune-up. I like this stuff here. Little gunk foamy engine cleaner. Check this out, boys. Goes on real nice so you can know where you got it. You know right where you put it. You know what I mean? All on that swing arm. That greasy ass back shock. These wheels. Old rusty brake caliper. You see the brown engine. Front of the pipe. I'm gonna haul down these forks, the lowers. Get all that residual oil out of there. Then we'll come back after we wash this and we'll make sure that these bearings got some grease on them and etc. That pipe a little bit, cylinder. That carburetor's a little funky. Looks like maybe it's got some paint on it or something. I'm gonna crank up the pressure washer, dudes, let her eat. A little better, a little better. We may get up in there deeper when we're done later, but she cleaned up pretty good. Wheels are cleaning up. The back one's a little dingy, but we can fix that. I'm gonna let her dry off. I'm gonna go inside, get this little bullshit work table ready, and we're gonna get her tuned up. Oh boy. Shouts out Rafa. He gave me a shout about this bike. Gave me a good deal on it. He said it started with starting fluid, so I'm not gonna try and confirm that. I'm just gonna take his word for it. We're gonna pull the carb and clean it up because I don't wanna start this thing with fuel. Also, the back wheel's seen better days, boys. Hopefully, tires hold air. We're gonna find out right now. At least we can get a test ride in on it. I'll send it like that. So, got the carb off. We're gonna clean it real quick. Doesn't take long at all. Don't look that too bad, but we're gonna find out. Get up in there, boys. She's all cleaned out, ready to send. We'll see what we get. I think it's gonna run. So before I put the carb back on, make sure that air filter's good enough, ain't gonna come apart. And if the box needs cleaned out, go ahead and clean it out. So we made sure the gas tank wasn't full of water or something. And I let it drain quite a bit. Give her a little choke. You know, these old KXs, they're good about starting on first kick, especially if you know what the fuck you're doing when you tune them up. Clearly I don't, because it took 3. Turn that choke off. Well, I'm gonna do a little fine tuning on this carburetor, change this plug, and then we're gonna let her rip. You already been fed. Hey, it's me. Yeah, I know y'all like these bigger heads and stuff, and I know I'd be firing them up when I come to feed y'all, but if you would please just clean up my fence line, that'd be great. Thanks. Swap the plug out. I don't have an 80G, this is a 90S. In there, boys, she's for sale. I'm ready to let her go. I hope you enjoyed the KX video. Lots more to come. August subscriber of the month, Matt Howell. Dude, first old boy from Texas to win this one, I think. Let me confirm. Yep, first mofro from Texas to actually back us up, dude. We appreciate it. And lots more to come, dude. I'm gonna get this in the mail to you. We got a new top 10 list, so let me turn this old camera around, give you y'all a shout out. Cha! Right up to number 1, Classic Conservative, Kerry Orban 2, Brian 400EX is 3, Shane Donnelly 4, Mark Barton 5, D Walker 6, Hanky Bannister 7, Craig Smith 8, Kyle Lang 9, and Sean Moore 10, guys. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. Lots more to come. And if you want to get on the list, man, all you really got to do is comment, share, get up in that merch store, timemachinesatvs.shop, and hit that P.O.Box, dude. P.O.Box 210, Rhome, Texas. We appreciate you guys. So, lots more to come. I'm out here working on these, I'll bring these in. I've got a table full of parts right here, and some more coming in for this 250SX that is right here. And it's ready to ride. I've got new brakes for it, cables. We're gonna pull the rack and the pegs off of it, get them cleaned up and painted, and a couple other things here and there. Covered the seat, the plastic's just sitting on it, but she fires right up and runs, guys. All these cables and stuff are clapped out. We got all new ones coming. New brake shoes for the front and rear, new cables for the rear. And then it's on to a couple of these. You guys comment below, what would you do? You got a few options here, but here's this 87 Big Red. Fires right up, dudes. I got it running, put some new tires on it the other day. So I'm waiting on a couple parts for it. We're gonna redo the rear racks, put a new headlight in it that I have. Or not new, but put a different headlight in it that I have. Clean these guards up, replace this bent rack, and it'll be going on. This 185S I got running yesterday, but it needs a fuel petcock. That one leaks everywhere. It's got a new chain and sprocket, so it'll be going on here pretty soon. And this old Odyssey 350 I got running the other day too. We're looking at getting us some new fenders for it next week, and getting you guys one video of it as well when it's finished. A ripping video and the project that I had to take on to get her there, dude. Shouts out Brent May for hooking me up with that deal. Appreciate you guys. Hey man, just want to say cheers to you guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week. It's Wednesday, so I know it can be tough. Tomorrow I'm gonna get you another video, either of the SX or the Odyssey. Haven't decided yet, but I appreciate you guys for getting up in there, dudes. Lots more to come. Lots more machines that I'm working on this week. And, oh, hey, if you send me a friend request on Facebook and I look at your timeline and you didn't share a video, fail. Way out of line. That's way out of line. You know what hurts the most? The disrespect. That's what hurts the most. Well, other than the other thing, the other thing hurts the most, but you know what? The disrespect hurts the second most. Appreciate y'all. Norm Macdonald's one of my favorite comedians, so I'm bummed out that he passed away, that one. A lot of them didn't really bug me much, but Norm was always one of my favorites, even since I was just a little boy. So that's for him too, guys. Appreciate you guys. Go check out the movie Dirty Work if you haven't seen it. I always thought that's what I'd be doing whenever I grew up, but whatever, man. Not a lot of there's too many legalities in the revenge business. 1.5 inch tomahawk. Let it rest 4 minutes.
Perfect.
Medium, baby. Let's bust it. Let's cut her open. The real test is down the middle, a little more to the right. All right. My wife don't cut so good. That's juicy.
It's juicy.
Oh, juicy, mama. Oh, go ahead, guys. There you go. You're welcome.